vacation, and after vacation we didn't have class of computer because there is a clash between the English 2 class and the computer class. So this week there will be computer class. Next week we will have English 2 class. Accordingly, every alternative weeks there will be computer and English 2. So today we are going to discuss the question answers of chapter 2. So for that, for that purpose, we need to adjust this first. Now, the first one is the fill in the blanks. Many people are waiting, they are coming late. Let me allow them first to fill. So, here it is. So, we are starting the question answers of chapter 2. The question answers, question number A, that is fill in the blanks. The first fill in the blanks, the base of binary number system. The base of binary number system is 2. Number 2, the base of dash number system is 10, that is decimal. Decimal number system. Then comes number 3. Octal number system consists of, all of us know, 8 digits. In binary addition, 1 plus 1 equals to 10. Question number 5. Is a dash number system is understood by the computer system, that is binary. Computer understands only the binary number system. Question number 6. Dash uses 16 digits from 0 to 9 and A to F, that is hexadecimal. Hexadecimal. Number 7. In binary subtraction, 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Then comes question number B. B ka 1, that is true false. You cannot perform arithmetical operation on binary numbers, that is false. The decimal number system consists of 10 digits, that is 0 to 9. It is true. Number 3. 4, 5, 6. We have 6. Okay. Number 3. That is the method of to perform division of two binary numbers is not the same as that of the decimal number. Bit confusing. So the method to perform division of two binary numbers is not the same as that of the decimal number. I write it false. It could be even true also because it could be understood in a different way. So whichever way you use, that is correct. 1 multiplied by 0 equals to 0. That is true. Charles Babbage introduced the concept of 0. Who introduced the concept of 0? Anyone in the room? Raise the hand. Who can answer? Who introduced the concept of 0? Yes, I see one of you had raised the hand. Yes, Afifa.
Sir, I think so. Aryabhat.
I cannot listen you. Why? अफीफा कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. पता नहीं आज मेरा माइक का प्रॉब्लम है या ओके 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 आई कैन नॉट लिसन यू एट ऑल. पता नहीं क्या चल रहा है. Why this? Let me check out just for a moment. Let me check. Microphone is fine. कुछ तो गड़बड़ चल रहा है. Yes, I can see a lot of people has raised their hand, but I cannot listen you. हमको आप लोग का आवाज सुनाई ही नहीं दे रहा. पता नहीं क्यों. प्लेबैक डिवाइसेस. ओके, एक बार और कोशिश करके देखते हैं. इफ आई कैन लिसन यू. दिस इज प्रेरणा. प्रेरणा.
Yes, sir.
या कैन यू स्पीक?
Sir, Aryabhat.
Speaking, but I'm not able to hear. Okay. बाद में चेक करेंगे. आज छोड़ देते हैं. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. आप लोग हाथ नीचे कर लो. आज हमको कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. There must be some problem in my audio system, so I will rectify it out today itself. So before that, number 5, we were talking about Charles Babbage introduced the concept of 0. No, he is not. So this is false. All of you know that. Aryabhat has introduced the concept of 0. So the numbers used in octal number system are 1 to 7. No, it is 0 to 7. Then comes application-based question. In application-based question, Ritika's computer teacher asked her to convert octal number to decimal number. Suggest her the method octal number to decimal number. Okay? Suggest her the method which she should apply to convert the octal number to decimal number. So for converting octal number to decimal number, go to page number 22. Page number 22. If you have the book, I'm writing on my desk also. See page 22. Page 22 में last वाले paragraph देखो. To convert any octal number, I'm writing the answer on the screen also. So you can, those who don't have the book with you, you can copy the answer from there. So the answer is convert 11 up to yes. Just a moment. Let me type in better. I'm typing in the answer. To convert any octal number to decimal number, start okay. Hopefully all of you had written. I'm reading it out. The answer is to convert a decimal number, to convert any octal number to decimal number, start multiplying. Changing the page.
Sir, voice is not coming. Sir, can't hear anything.
हेलो अब तो शायद सुनाई अब सुनाई दे रहा होगा शायद या जस्ट अ मिनट स्नेहा कुमारी स्नेहा if you can listen me just raise your hand unmute and speak yes Sneha can you listen me now
Yes, sir.
okay I can also listen you now so previously we had some problem so we had rectified
Okay,
it
sir.
okay
Okay, sir.
So hopefully now you people can listen me, all of you, and there is no problem. And I can also listen you now. If anybody have any doubt, you can ask me now how much time is left. Let us check that first. And before we continue with the discussion of question answers, let us take the attendance. That is important, isn't it? So today's attendance, this is 7B, isn't it? 7B. 7B. And today is 21st of June. First one, Abhinav Raj. तो पहले में ही गड़बड़ा दिया अभिनव राज Abhinav Kumar. I don't know whether this is Abhinav Raj or Abhinav Anand is also there, but I cannot see Abhinav Raj. Abhinav Raj नहीं मिला. Abhishek Kumar. Abhishek Kumar is there. Then we have Afifa. Afifa is there. Then Aman Raj. Then Ayush Raj. Then we have Deepika Tudu. Deepika Tudu. Then Deepika Tudu के बाद है Krish Valotia. उसके बाद है मंजीत कुमार. And MD Alsan is there. Then we have MD Kaif Ahmad. Kaif Ahmad is there. Then we have Naman Anand. Naman का नाम कभी कहीं देखे थे. Yes, Naman Anand is there. Then we have Navanya Kunjal. Nishant Mani Sahai. Omi Chand अभी आया. प्रेरणा रानी. Then Rudra Ranjan. Rudra. There is nobody named Rudra. So you will be missing. Oh, छोड़ के भी भाग गया. कौन था ये पता नहीं. शिवम कुमार. वहीं तो देखे. हाँ, ये मिला शिवम कुमार. इसके बाद है स्नेहा कुमारी. स्नेहा कुमारी is there. इसके बाद है शुभ आनंद मिला. वैष्णवी and Utkarsh. Okay, so now your attendance is done. Okay, we can now continue with the discussion of the answers. Rudra, yes. Rudra, yes.
सर वो रुद्रा नहीं, वहाँ दीपशिखा पांडे होना चाहिए.
ओहो, आप कैसे ज्वाइन करोगे तो हम कैसे खोजेंगे बताओ. ओके, दीपशिखा पांडे. दीपशिखा पांडे, यस, मिल गया. बताओ, हो गया.
थैंक यू सर.
मोस्ट वेलकम. Okay, now let us continue our discussion with the question answers, है ना. जो थोड़ा टाइम बचा हम लोग क्वेश्चन आंसर्स थोड़ा आगे बढ़ा लेते हैं. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का सी हो गया. अब हम लोग करने वाले हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर डी, है ना. क्वेश्चन नंबर डी का 1. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर डी इसका 1 का आंसर dash introduce the concept of zero. This is option B. You can see this is multiple choice. So Aryabhat. Question number 2. The dash converts the decimal format into its binary equivalent. A digital computer obviously converts the decimal format into its binary equivalent. Yes, it is. Then question number 3. The computer understands only the binary language. Okay. Then question number 4. In binary multiplication, 1 into 1 equals to. Question number 4, 1 into 1 equals to 1. Oh, sorry, I have to put the option, isn't it? I made a mistake over here. This is B. Then question number 5, to convert decimal number into binary number, divide the number by 2. That is option A. बस हो गया, डी का आंसर हो गया. अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ई. देन वंस अगेन इसको छोटा कर लेते हैं पहले, ये बड़ा डिस्टर्ब करता है. नाउ घटका लेते हैं इधर से ऊपर में. दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर ई. क्वेश्चन नंबर ई का 1 हम लोग करने वाले हैं. ई का 1, explain number system and its commonly used type. What is a number system? You have to explain that. Okay, number system, a number system is a set of values to represent different quantities, such as number of balls, quantity of meat, etc. Okay, now the second part, there is the second part also, and its commonly used type. So commonly used type, we have to change the paragraph. Use types of number systems are what is the first one? That is decimal number system. In this, 10 symbols, digits. I better write 10. Digits are used to represent the value. They are digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. Then comes the binary number system. Okay. And 1. Specially designed to represent That is now comes number 3. Number 3 is option number 16. So, yeah, that's all. And along with this, I think the time is also over. So there is only 3 minutes left. 3 minutes. So if, although there is must not be any problem in today's class, so still if anybody have any doubt, any question left out, uncleared, you can ask in these 3 minutes. You have only 3 minutes. Hopefully there is no doubt. Hopefully, I hope there is no doubt. But okay then. So we are closing down our class today, and we'll continue with the next discussion in the next class. Okay. So have a nice day and get prepared for the next class if you have. Okay. Now.